So just a little quick video for Educate.ie, sample paper B, question 1, okay? So the design for a kitchen scales is shown below. The design is based on a polygon and circle. The measurement of the needle is currently at 2 kg. So 2 is half of it, right? So redraw the needle where it'll be at 3 kg. So if 2 kg is right down here at half it, we're going to be getting half of each of these for 1 kg for 3 kg, okay? So we can simply just go straight across or measure our 90 degrees across. So that'll be your 3 kg there. So 0, 1, 2, 3 kg there. Redraw the needle where 500 gram mark. Remember there are 1000 grams in 1 kg. So I said this over here is 1 kg and this angle in here is 90 degrees. Okay? So we need half of that, which is 45 degrees. You can measure it with your protractor or you can just use your set square. That there will be my 500 gram mark. So that's the first part of the question done. Opposite is an 8-sided regular polygon. Name the polygon. Octagon. Construct a similar 8-sided regular polygon in the square below. Now, that question is kind of confusing. I assume they just want us to construct a polygon again, or construct an octagon again down here. So I'm going to start anyway by drawing a straight line, and I'm going to set a distance on my compass. Right? Does not matter in this question. I'm going to start my octagon there and there. So that's the length of one of the sides. Now an octagon is 360 degrees and you divide it by the number of angles, which is 8, and that will give me 45. So the angle of degrees is 45. So I'm going to go 45 from this point, 45 from here. It's a regular octagon, so all sizes say the same length, right? So once I get that's first size on my compass, I'm going to keep it the same then all the way around. Go straight up. I'm assuming that's what they're meaning in that question. That's my octagon there drawn back out. Okay, so it's 45 degrees and all the sides need to be the same length. And now we're on over to the last part of the question. So this was a quick page, right? This now will be a small little bit slower. Shown opposite is the logo for a well-being club. The logo is based on a regular pentagon, also shown as an incomplete drawing of a similar logo. Complete the drawing of the logo, color or shaded, right? So it's a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 angles. So it's 360 degrees divided by 5, which gives me 72. Okay? They give me the baseline here. So I'm going to mark 72 degrees, 71, 72 on each of the angles. 70. I'm going to draw them in. They tell me it's a regular polygon, a regular pentagon. So we can get the length of the base on our compass, mark it up the sides, because remember in a regular polygon, any regular polygon, all angles are the same size and all sides are the same length. So rather than measuring 72 inside here now again, what I can do is I can get the distance of the side, swing it, and swing it from here, and where they meet then, that is my top corner there then of the polygon, of the pentagon. Okay, so now it's just a matter of kind of drawing in this little symbol here in the middle. Okay, so it tells me that from the very corners here, so there's a few measurements here, there's a few angles and stuff put in here trying to confuse you, right? But there's no need for them to confuse you. Okay, so from this baseline up here, it's 32 degrees. Okay, so from the very baseline here, right inside this corner, there's 32 degrees, which is there. Okay. I'm going to draw in that 32 degrees till I hit the center line there, and then we can mirror it back over here on this side, like so. There's a further 16 degrees inside there now, so I'm going to set up my protractor, 0, 0 down here in the corner, my 0, 0 line, along that line I'm just after drawing, 16 degrees, which is there. Once again, mirror it over on the other side. So that's his legs kind of drawn there now, right? So it's 18 away from each center line here. So there. That's his legs and his kind of torso drawn in there now. Okay? His legs and his torso. So now I just have to do the parts up here at his hands, okay? So if you look closely here, where these lines come up and meet here, they go off into the corners for the start of the arm. So where these lines meet here, they go off into the corners there for the start of the arms. Okay? Now the arms is 8 and 8, so it's 16 in total, right? So I set up my protractor here. I can measure my 16. Back down to the body. And I'm going to extend it onto the center. And draw my 16 up this side. Okay? So I have my arms drawn now as well, alright? That's my arms drawn now as well. The rest of the body here then, from where the torso hits up for like his neck, goes parallel with these sides here. So I'm going to darken in there now what I have, right? Last but not least, then I have his head. It says it's down 44 here. And it's a radius 22. It also touched his body there. So that's the logo fully completed there then.